like me, I like a magnet to a knife, can like a lighter from the ocean.
We got some packages. I am most excited for both of these, but this tall one is the start of the show. These are our new motorized drapes for the bedroom. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we are going to be installing new drapes for the window behind me, y'all. I have been excited for this for the past maybe 3 weeks. I think this has been 3 weeks in the making, and it has finally come true. The shades are here, and they're from SmartWaveShades.com. So make sure you check them out. All their information will be down below in that description box, so you don't want to skip over it. It has been my mission since I moved in to turn my home entirely into a smart home, and I am making good progress with that. So I know that I'm going to love these shades. Well, drapes. Let's call them what they are. These are definitely drapes. Now I have installed motorized shades in my house previously. If you haven't seen those, I'll have those linked down below too. Well, those videos linked down below as well, so that you can check those out. But definitely check them out. I think you might like those, especially if you're into tech and gadgets like me. I love all things tech, all things smart, especially as it pertains to home. Anything that makes my life easier, I want it. I definitely want it. And these are not only smart, but they're functional. And I feel like for the bedroom, blackout curtains and drapes are best for bedrooms. Now, if you like a moody home, by all means, do your thing. I mean, it's your home. I expect you to do whatever it is that you want to do with it. But for me, I just feel like blackout curtains are best for the bedroom, especially if you're someone like me who has to get up super early, which means you have to go to bed hella early. So that means it's usually still daylight when you're getting into bed. So blackout curtains, you know, it works best for me. It sets the mood and the ambiance for sleep. Okay, so I prefer blackouts in my bedroom. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the unboxing going so that we can start on the installation. So I want to talk your head off. Let's get into it. Yes, because I'm familiar with these type projects, I already have my drill ready to go. I let it spend the night on the charger so that we can be well prepared for today. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it in here, and we're going to get this box open. I'm so excited. And we're going to get these drapes installed. Now that we have the box open, this sticker here just gives us a breakdown of everything that we ordered and everything that we received in our box. We have our drapery panels. We have 2 of those. We have the actual curtain strip that we're going to screw to our wall. You have the option to screw it to the ceiling. You can select that option. I chose the wall mounted version. For me, that's the easiest because that's how my current curtains are up. But yeah, I absolutely cannot wait. This is going to be a simple process. And I do have these in the color Biscuit if I haven't mentioned that yet. Yeah, they match my bedding perfectly. Look at these. OMGG. They're so nice. They're a little lighter than what I currently have. These are in the color called Mushroom, and these are Biscuit, a taupey color in the color Biscuit from SmartWave Shades. I love it. I just love the pleated look of drapes. I love that. And I just love the fact that these are 100% blackouts. Total blackouts. So here are the little hooky hooks. So this is a breeze to assemble because all the work is done. We do not have to attach the hooks. As you see, they're already on, and we just snap them on to the little pulley hooks that are on the panel that we're going to attach to the wall. And this is our motor. We have our installation guide here. And then those are the L brackets that we're going to be using. And of course, the remotes. You've seen these brackets before. These are the very same brackets that we've used before when installing our smart shades. But today we're installing drapes. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. And this is everything you need to install. They did send over 3. However, I can't lie, I only used 2. I only really needed 2. But girl, so easy. Definitely check them out. All the information will be down below in that description box. And they did send plenty of everything, even extras of the little curtain pulley pieces. So yeah, we're going to get into the installation. The instructions were really easy and straightforward. I can't lie to you, I'm really not a instructional reader. I look at the parts, I look at the area of which I'm working with, and I just go with it. But they did provide really good pictorials. So this installation guide is really helpful for those of you who actually use instructions. Don't be like me, actually read the instructions. But if you're anything like me and you have some handiness about you, this is going to be the easiest task. I'm telling you, it is so straightforward. And look at this, I already have it up. It literally took me like 5 or 6 minutes just to put the bracket on the wall. I used 4 screws, 2 screws in each end bracket, and that was a really good fit for me, and this works. I am absolutely in love with it. Next up, I'm just going to wrestle with the valance. Now, I cannot lie, that was the hardest part for me, was getting it lined up there on that Velcro strip to get it to sit properly. I probably still don't have it the neatest, but it works. Right now, I'm just really admiring my work and debating on if I want to go ahead and steam these drapes tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, I'm going to give them a quick steamy steam just to make them look a little more presentable for you guys in this video. But they are gorgeous. I absolutely love them. Alright, here we go. Now we have the valance on properly, in my opinion. This is the best I can get it, but I actually like it. Like I said, the Velcro part for me was the hardest. It's always stuff like that that gives me a problem. Velcro and getting things lined up. But I actually love them. The pleats are gorgeous. It just adds that extra bit of glam to the curtain looks. I just love pleats. Anything pleated is a plus in my book. I love it. Like I said, it just adds a little more glam. But as you can see though, they really need to be steamed. So we're going to do that for sure. Alright, so here we go. We have our Feppo fabric steamer. When I tell you this thing is awesome, it is awesome. So we're just gonna knock out a few of the big wrinkles just so you can see these drapes in all of their glory, because they are definitely beautiful. And now we have our remote ready to go. I have the batteries in. Just finished installing my SmartWave shades drapes, girl. I absolutely love these. This took just about 40 minutes for me to install by myself. It was almost the easiest thing ever to do. And then you just plug them up and pop in the batteries into the remote, and then you're cooking with grease. But I have these in the color Biscuit, if I didn't tell you that already. Absolutely love these. These were just the perfect color for my bedroom scheme. I love it. Let's go ahead and give them a try. Let me see which button does what. Okay, I was right. The down button opens. Y'all know I've only owned these 45 minutes. For 45 minutes, look at that. I want to close them, press the up. Look at that. Moves like butter. OMGG. I feel so fancy, okay? Definitely check out SmartWave. All their information will be down below in that description box, so do not skip over it, girl. They have shades, the zebra blondes, as well as drapes. So definitely check them out. So easy to install. I promise you can do it. Just try it. You got this. I am in love. But girl, make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye. Love these.